if the biggest mistake in Game of Thrones was not the ending, but who became the king? Because when Bran Stark was chosen, many fans were shocked, not because he was bad, but because there was better choices. So today we answer one simple question: who should have been king instead of Bran? Bran became king because he had knowledge. He could see the past and maybe the future. But being king is not just about knowledge. A king needs leadership, emotion, connection with people. And Bran, he had none of that. He was distant, cold, almost disconnected from the world. So, if not Bran, then who? The first and most obvious choice is Jon Snow. He had the strongest claim to the throne. He was the true heir, but more importantly, he was a leader. People trusted him, they followed him, they believed in him. Jon didn't want power, and that's exactly why he deserved it. Because the best rulers are the ones who don't seek the throne. But there was one problem, friends. John always chose honor over politics, and sometimes that can be dangerous. Then there is Tyrion Lannister, all of us favorite Tyrion Lannister, the smartest man in Westeros. He understood politics, he understood people, and most importantly, he learned from his mistakes. Tyrion didn't have a strong claim to the throne, but he had something better: wisdom. A ruler who thinks before acting can save an entire kingdom. But Tyrion had one weakness: he made emotional decisions and sometimes trusted the wrong people. Now let's talk about Sansa Stark. She started as an innocent girl but became one of the smartest players in the game. She survived betrayal, she learned from powerful people, and she understood one thing better than anyone else: how power really works. By the end, she was already ruling the north. Calm, strong, strategic. Sansa didn't need the throne, but she might have been the best person for it. So, who should have been king? Jon had the heart, Tyrion had the brain, Sansa had the strategy. Each one of better than Bran in their own way. But maybe the real answer is this: Westeros didn't need a perfect king. It needed the right balance. That's something no single person could ever give. So maybe Bran wasn't the best choice, but he was the safest choice. And in a broken world, sometimes that's enough. But what do you think? Who should have been king instead of Bran Stark? Friends, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more Game of Thrones videos.